My name is Joel. I live in a studio apartment in Stockholm and I'm a recently graduated fashion designer. So I guess home to me would be a place of security and relaxation. Obviously I want to keep my home open to people and have it somewhat of a social space, but I also think it's very important, for me at least, to have a sense of privacy and belonging in my home. So when I close the door, I know it's this is my space. Whenever I want to start a project or continue on a project, it's quite a song and dance with getting my sewing machine out, my ironing board out, plugging everything in, moving things away so I get space to work. Now whenever I'm done, I also have to do the reverse, but I have to tidy up and vacuum and get rid of all the loose threads and everything. So it wears many hats and works as a studio as well as a studio apartment. I've always been a comfort person, to the degree that I think my home earlier always became a place of primarily comfort. And something that I aspire to is for my next place to be more of a social place where I could invite people over and have more social gatherings.